Introducing the Float Table by Humanscale. Float achieves new heights in workplace health, comfort, and productivity by allowing people to easily alternate between sitting and standing postures throughout the day. The average office worker spends up to 95% of each workday sitting, a level of inactivity linked to a host of serious health problems, including lower back pain, poor blood circulation, even obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. Sitting for prolonged periods induces static muscle exertion, a condition where blood circulation slows to the point of reducing the oxygen supply to muscles. The result is fatigue, soreness, even cramping. The remedy is simple: stand up. A recent Mayo Clinic study proves that simply standing 2 hours a day burns up to 340 calories. The Float Table encourages standing by moving between positions quickly and easily. Float is incredibly simple to use. One squeeze of a lever is all it takes. Unlike some height-adjustable tables that use a hand crank, Float utilizes a hidden counterbalance mechanism for effortless single-handed adjustment. And when it comes to quick transitions, Float beats tables with electric motors hands down. Among competing counterbalance tables, some use a bulky pedestal, but Float affords full freedom of movement. Float also has room under its work surface for a keyboard tray. The Float Table can support up to 160 pounds of desktop weight. So even when loaded with multiple monitors and other heavy items, it glides with ease. As weight is added, a few turns of the weight adjustment handle ensures no extra effort is needed to operate the table. Plus, Float provides a unique safety feature that prevents accidental up or down movements whenever the weight on the table isn't properly balanced. The Float Table is designed to be versatile. Its range of adjustability is an industry-leading 20 inches, accommodating over 95% of the population. It can be fitted with a wide range of tabletop styles in sizes from 48 to 72 inches wide by 24 to 30 inches deep. Made almost entirely from recyclable materials, Float is also environmentally responsible. Float increases productivity by allowing employees to take breaks from sitting without leaving their desk. It improves health and morale at a cost that's quickly recouped in reduced sick days and increased output. But above all, it gives people an important tool in replacing fatigue and injury with comfort and safety.